Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. I'm actually trying to re-vlog this whole week. I don't even know what I'm going to be doing. The dog is here with me today. She is out of daycare. So I just want to, I want to actually vlog my life. I usually vlog when I do things, but why not just like vlog my life? Hope you enjoy it. I don't know. Today's going to be super boring, but I wanted to kind of like come back to YouTube with actually a vlog. So welcome to my day. Okay, so do you really have to, okay, why are you sitting like that? Do you really have to be right here, ma'am? Okay, get out of my way.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
So good morning, everybody. I feel like the lighting is horrible and I'm still in like my night shirt, but that's life. Let me at least turn on some light. Dang. This morning, I feel like it's like a make coffee with me and breakfast with me like type of vlog because I don't feel like I did anything other than that. This is like what I do every single day. So to be quite honest, there is nothing exciting about my life this week. So why not? I guess this vlog is gonna be a eat with me or breakfast with me or coffee with me or whatever. I'm trying to make this drink. I saw this on Keith and Ronnie's like TikTok, whatever. I find all my stuff on TikTok. It's kind of sad. But I watched this video. This was what he did for his wife last year for Valentine's Day. And I was like, oh, that's cute. But this drink popped up that he got his wife at Starbucks. And y'all know I got an espresso. So I want to try and make this drink at home, even though I won't even need the Nespresso. I just need a matcha packet. I have a matcha packet that I got from like Trader Joe's. I have like a couple more of these, but I was like, okay, maybe I could try matcha. And I have a couple Oreos that I can do, and I also have sweet cream creamer. So I'm like, I can make this. So let's go ahead and try it. I don't even know if this is gonna be good, but I'm gonna try and see if this is gonna taste good.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you.
So this is honestly what it looks like. It doesn't look super pretty because the milk didn't really foam up because I think I put too many Oreo crumbles in there. But let's give it a taste and see if it tastes like matcha ice cream. Really? Does it look like a picture? No. I think I added way too many cookie crumbles in it, but whatever. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, the TV is super loud in the background, but this tastes really good. It doesn't really taste as much like matcha. It has like a slight matcha undertone because I didn't add too much white chocolate to it. But it tastes pretty good. I'll say if you don't like the taste of matcha, which is basically powdered green tea, if anybody doesn't know what that is, this would be a good alternative. It's probably about like $8 at Starbucks, but at home, I would say maybe it's about $5 for everything, maybe, I think. So give it a try. I mean, no harm in trying things. Try to make things by yourself because you can save your money. Save your coins, sis. Anyway, this is good. So I have to head to a meeting because I have like 3 minutes left before I am late. So I'll see y'all later if I do anything. I probably won't, but I'll see y'all later. So hello everyone, good afternoon. I feel like I haven't really done anything this weekend yet. It's already 1:30, so I'm just now leaving the house and I look like this. Don't, excuse it. Today I am gonna get out. I'm actually gonna try this place called Mochi in Plano, Texas. I want to get out there and try different places around. There's so many places to try in Texas, like date night, places to eat, places to get like little drinks and stuff. So I'm gonna try and go someplace new every single weekend. Usually every single Saturday I get a boba tea. And if y'all know what that is, it's like it's like those little milk teas with the little tapioca pearls on the bottom, and they're always so fun to drink. But I love them. I usually get them every single weekend as like my I made it through the week treat. So today I'm going to a new place, and Mochi sells that. They sell milk teas. They also sell like mochi donuts and those Korean hot dog things. So I'm gonna get all three. Brian would have come with me, but he is just not feeling up to it, and it's not really his thing. So I don't mind going by myself. It's my little time away. It's my time of relaxation. So I'm gonna go and get one. So come with me to go to Mochi and try some treats.
If it's right for me, don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you're trying.
Here we are. Okay, so since I'm home, I'm gonna try it out. Let me open up everything first. So what I got is the ube milk tea with boba, the half and half Korean hot dog. Look at this. She's waiting for me to try and give her some, but she ain't gonna get none. And then I got 3 mochi donuts. That's original, churro, and pistachio. So I'm gonna try this boba first to see if I even like it. That's good. I like that. It's in this cute like soda can type of bottle. Bless you. It's cute. I like it. I do think that they're riding the whole viral thing because this was $20. I'm gonna try the hot dog next. Hold on. Let's see what this. It's a half and half. It's oh my gosh. So it's a half and half. It has half mozzarella and half regular. I don't know what that means. It tastes like it tastes good, but it tastes like you're at a fair. Like it tastes like a fair food. Yeah. It's good though. I really like it. Hold on. I have Brian taste it. Brian, what would you rate that?
6.5, 7.
It's like, it's good, but is it worth?
It needs flavoring.
Yeah, usually I think they're supposed to give me like a dip or something.
Exactly.
But it tastes like it. I don't need to go get it again. It tastes all right. I give it a 7 too. TikTok love hyping up stuff, but I went to go spend my money, so I guess that's the point. Try these donuts next. It's good, but is it worth the hype? No, it's not worth the hype. The boba's good. It's really good. I like the flavor because I don't have it. Huh? No, like I'm not gonna travel all the way 20 minutes out of my way to get it. Okay, so now that you tried everything, what would you rate it?
6.5.
Yeah, I agree. Well, six. I would give it like a 7.5 because I would go again if I was in the area. Brian probably would skip it, but in general, it's all right. I wouldn't say go out your way. Honestly, it's a bunch of nothing today, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of boring, but you know, that's my life this week. I feel like it was just a coffee with me vlog, and that's okay. I wanted to do get ready with me, but I didn't go anywhere, so what am I gonna get ready for? So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna hope to continue to vlog if I have anything exciting, but thank you all for sticking around, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.